Backward dancing beads catch and go, skin breezy. The halo of beads rained from above. It was in the shadows of the drizzle. The beads caught his toes. Still, a slow dance up his legs to his thighs and hips. The beads looked like black, silver onyx, and diamonds complementing the rain in the shower. A gaze stuck in my head through the glass shower doors. A gaze and hue that sprinkled me at a distance. The beads danced in my thoughts, an erotic interlude in the nude. Now a shadow, an ingram that still burned, the echo of his frame and slow. Skin breezy, still, rain shadows. From his hips, a soft male touch drenched not only him as the water beads fell like a rainforest. Somewhere out of nowhere, I saw the foliage blowing against him. Was it a mirage watching this? Through the looking glasses on my face, backwards, maybe the footage, but it caught his frame, and it took me to a different place for a moment. Still, raining the shadows, this memory caught me off guard and broke me to think about this a little longer. Back to this. Still, was him. Was I still looking backwards through the looking glasses on my face? His hand and fingers rolled up his stomach, chest, and neck under his chin, where the water beaded his facial hair, caught in between, somewhere in my thoughts. I was not going to let this burning image go, not just yet. His lips caught the drizzle and rain of the shower, like a slow shutter. I was catching every bead of water as my eyes rose up his frame. I was in the shadows. I was in the rain, still wet, from a dream. Backward dancing, looking through the glass. Still, steam rose like smoke. Still it consumed the room, consuming me, until it was like beads of rain shadows, making me dance again.